If you've closed your Discord account and want to reopen it, follow these steps to guide you through the process. Keep in mind that there are specific conditions for reopening an account. Step 1. Visit the Discord login page. Go to the Discord website or open the Discord app. Click on the login button to access the login page where you can enter your credentials. Step 2. Enter your credentials. Input the email address and password associated with the closed account. If you remember your login details, this will be the first step to regain access. Step 3. Check for reopening option. Once you attempt to log in, Discord may provide an option to reopen your account if it has been closed recently. Look for any prompts or messages indicating that your account can be restored. Step 4. Follow the instructions. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm that you want to reopen your account. This may involve verifying your identity through email or other means. Step 5. Contact Discord support if needed. If you do not see an option to reopen your account, or if you encounter issues, reach out to Discord support. Provide them with the necessary details about your account and request assistance in reopening it. In conclusion, reopening a closed Discord account is possible if you follow the right steps and meet the necessary conditions. If you face any difficulties, don't hesitate to contact Discord support for help.